Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix smart lock not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon and phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps, click on see all apps, scroll down and click on Google and click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system, reset option, reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.